You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
And thanks for stopping by the miniature kitchen today.
Yes, today we are making fried pickles.
Ooh, fried pickles. Now, before we started the video, Audrey and I were talking. It seems like everything we've made is something that I like, right?
Yes.
This time, we're making one of your faves.
I do love fried pickles.
Fried pickles. And before we go any further, we just want to say sorry for our lack of video this week. Our schedule had a slight change. Kind of one of those life things, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so when we come back then, we're going to make Audrey's pickles.
Okay. Alright, so to start us off, I have to cut the pickles. And then we're going to put them on the paper towels after to get the extra moisture off. Okay, I think that's enough for today.
Do you think I could eat one of those other pickles?
Sure.
Thanks.
Okay, so now I have to squeeze some of the extra moisture off of the pickles.
And why do you do that?
Because it helps the batter sticks better when they're dry.
Oh, I see that.
Okay, now it's time to make the coating, but before I start, let me heat up the oil. And here we go, let's do the dry ingredients. So I have flour.
I can be your assistant.
Sure.
That, yeah, okay. And then, ooh, I'll do them in order.
Oops.
Little pepper.
Black pepper.
And then paprika, cayenne. And then we have salt, baking powder, and then the last thing, of course, is the seltzer water, right? After you get those mixed
first
up.
Let me just mix this.
Okay.
That should be good. Now I'll add the seltzer.
Now the seltzer is going to kind of give it a crispy, airy-like coating. This will be considered like a wet batter. Or a wet coating, whatever you want to call it. And this works good for stuffed mushrooms and any kind of fried item that you want a coating on. And then I'll put all the measurements in the description area for you so you have it. Oh, this is going to be good.
Okay, this is looking good. Let's start frying the pickles.
All right, pickle production has now begun. So whenever you're ready.
Sure.
Pickle number 1. It should stick pretty good now.
See if we get a nice sizzle.
Oh, I think we will. Ooh, perfect. All right, what I'll do is from my side is I'll grab my little fork up here and then I'll be able to turn them when you think they're nice and golden brown. All right, get like 3 or 4 in there and then we'll get a nice close-up of the sizzle going on. Now we don't actually add any salt to these either after, because you have the salty pickles, right? We put salt in the batter and then we're going to use, like, what do you use, Thousand Island or ranch dressing?
Yeah, we'll use ranch.
Okay. All right, let me check out that real close there. All right, what do you think? Batch 1 almost ready?
Yeah, actually they might be done.
Okay. I think as this heats up too, they'll get a little browner.
Yeah. I'll start on the frying the
Yeah,
nuts.
that's kind of like our production now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, next batch. Let me get these out of the way for you. Oh, those are a little bit browner. Okay, all set. One straggler. I'd say put more in, fill as many as you can in there now. Perfect. Okay, one more batch.
Yep.
We'll fill up our little tray here. I was hoping to get a little bit browner. Maybe this last batch, we'll leave them in a little longer. Almost set for you. Well, that one's nice. They look crispy.
Yeah.
Okay, last batch. So we'll come back after these are... Oh, you need help there? Ready to come out, and then we'll head over to the tasting table. How does that sound?
Awesome. I'm so excited.
Ready? Nice one. Wow, that looks nice now, huh?
Yeah, that's much better.
I wonder if our oil just started to get hotter now.
I think so.
Big difference. Mm-hmm. You ready to head over to the tasting table, or do you want to make some more off camera?
I'm so ready.
Here we go. Time to give them a taste.
Welcome back.
We decided to make even more, and there's actually still some cooking, so if you hear sizzling in the background,
yeah,
we decided to make some more. That look really nice.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
We'll put this between us.
Okay.
Alright, so here we go. No plates. Everybody could just grab what they want. I'm going to grab this one right here. I'll just show everybody the crispiness of this. Look at this.
I'm going to try this one.
It's got a nice crisp to it. It's almost like a tempura type batter.
Yeah. Okay,
really...
let's see. We'll try it at the same time.
You ready? Mm-hmm. Here we go. Perfect.
Mmm. That is really good.
It is. Let me grab another one so everybody can just kind of see how crispy they are. Look at that. So I think we could easily finish off this basket, right?
Oh, yeah.
Mmm. Now, Easter is right around the corner, is it not?
It is.
We thought we'd I thought we'd make or bake. How about some kind of Easter cake?
That would be fun.
We might have a rabbit or something like that. We can make a nice little rabbit cake. Yeah.
Cool.
I'm not going to stop. Ooh,
I know, they're really good. I'm glad we used them all up.
All right, I'll just take a bite and then show you the inside. Mm.
Yeah. That's...
Now I see why you like fried pickles.
They are my favorite fried food.
And again, we do apologize for our schedule kind of going a little awry, but we'll do our best to keep up with that.
Yep. And until we see you next time, happy eating!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.